What is up, noobs? Welcome to yet another episode of GTA 5. But today it's gonna be really special because I've modded my GTA 5 to the extreme level. Trust me, I went to GTA 5 mods and got like crazy expensive mods. So now we are gonna try every one of them and see how it works. So first of all, when you get your mod downloaded, you have to press F8 two times and you will get this menu mod open. Let's go to vehicle options and let's go to vehicle spawner, super. And let's take Zenatron. Boom, voila, that's how you get it. Now let's go for a test drive. Hold on, we can do one more thing. Let's go to vehicle multiplier, multiply the acceleration to, let's multiply the acceleration to 200. Yes boys, we have multiplied the acceleration to 200 and let's multiply the traction to 100. Traction is 100, that's all. Braking and reverse 200, enough. Okay, let's see how this beast works. Ready? Launch in 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Dude, this thing is crazy fast. Bro, I can't even control it, man. Sheesh. Hold on. Let's okay, see, 1, 2, 3. Jeez, bro!
Good Lord above.
Oh my god, this is the fastest car, dude. Come on, Trevor, rip this thing. Bro, we are actually traveling 536 kilometers per hour. This is crazy, dude. No! Bro, this mod is so fun.
Fuck me.
Sheesh. Hold on. Let's do some crazy stunts on this. Let's ram it over something, bro. Ready? 3, 2, 1. No! I thought we could actually ram into military base. Let's see if we can really ram into military base. Nah, bro. Don't worry, but I got one more mod. Press F9 and you can teleport this thing to anywhere. Trust me, anywhere. Yeah. Ah, sheesh, where is it? Yeah. What the hell did I even bring, dude? Oh. Now the cops are behind us. Let the action begin, boys. Dude, this thing is so hard to control, dude. No. Bro. Sheesh, man. How do I escape, bro? No, this thing is way too powerful, bro. This thing is way too powerful. Hold on, if that's the case, hold on. If that's the case, hold on.
Give me a break.
Yes, bro. Got any problem? You saw the mod. When you shoot bullets, it's gonna blast, bro. It's really gonna blast. This mod is so crazy, dude. You only need a pistol to kill people. Look. You know, you only need a pistol to kill people. Look. Where is the helicopter, dude? RPG, yeah, we do have RPG, right? RPG, yeah. Here's RPG. Bro, this one is literally so fun, dude. What's up, officer? This one is crazy, dude. Hold on. And you even get ultimate unlimited ammo. You don't need to reload every time. See? Bro, we are actually doing a massacre right now. Hold on, bro. Who else? Come on, bro. Come on. Hey, bro, listen. You don't even need a RPG, bro. SMG is enough. Oh, hold on. This guy wants to revive me. Hold on. Let's go near these guys. You sure you wanna shoot me, bro? Think about your wife and children. Bro, think about your wife and children, bro. Okay, as you wish. Bro, this mod is so fun, dude. Where is the helicopter? Where is the helicopter? Sheesh. Okay, enough. Let's get out from here.
A few moments later.
And to be noted, the vehicle never gets damaged. Wanna do a flip? Sheesh, bro. Three, two, one, flip, bro. Ah, no. 3, 2, 1, jump. Sheesh. Lol, bro. This mod is so fun, dude. Hold on. Run, Trevor, run! 3, 2, 1. Bro, Trevor just smashed out of the window, dude. Yes, officer, got any problem? Yeah, bro, got any problem? Bro, look at our car. It's not even having a scratch, bro. Let's get out. Look, the car gets auto repaired. Sheesh, bro. Sheesh. Damn. Let's hit the highway. You know what? Let's hit the highway, bro. Let's hit the highway. This thing is way too fast to handle it, bro. Oh, hold on. 3. Let's launch this baby. Ah, shit.
One eternity later.
Okay. Let's remove the wanted level, bro. I want to show you guys something else too. That's all, dude. You literally gotta do nothing. I want to show you something too. So you come to this player option and go to super run. Enable super run and super jump and see what Trevor can do now. Okay. Bro, this guy is faster than Flash, dude. No! What, dude, Trevor? Bro, what happened right now? Trevor, run, dude, run. Can he even jump? Jeez, dude. This guy can jump like crazy, man. Bro, this mod is so fun. Bro, this mod is so fun, dude. Come on, Trevor, get up. You need to get up, dude. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Dude, you don't even need to activate the cheat code for paragliding, man. You can just activate the mods here.
Ow!
Hold on. 3, 2, 1, let's go, bro. Jump, Trevor. Jeez, bro. He keeps going, bro. Look. This guy keeps going. I feel so pity for Trevor right now. Option can do more. Now first, let's upgrade it. You don't need to go to Benny's. You don't need to go to Los Santos Custom anymore. Wow, she's, dude. Look at our Dodge Challenger. Let's take this thing. Let's take this baby out. See the acceleration? Look at the acceleration. Let's reduce it for the time being, though.
Bloody shootout at a meth lab in Sandy Shores.
Facade.
Let's upgrade this thing, dude. Vehicle options, vehicle multiplier. Now let's make it 0, or at least let's make it like 2 or 5. 5 is more, dude. It's really way too much. 3, 4, 5, and let's make this 5 too. 4, 5. Okay, we are good to go. Now, where shall we go, guys? Oh, here is our what do you say? I forgot the name, anyways. And I even used the mod to clear the way out so that we could do shit we are not supposed to do. Bro, the map looks so peaceful, dude. Yeah, I guess this is this is the airport. This is the airport. Okay, so now waypoint, and yep, here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna activate a cheat that's called vehicle torque multiplier. Sup, man? No, man, I can't park my car. I'm way too busy showing my views what my PC can do. Okay, so you come here. You come to vehicle options and vehicle multiplier. Let's make this to 150. 150, yeah. And come back. Let's go to menu of customs. Torque multiplier to 500. And yep. Boys and girls, are you ready to see something incredible? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Jeez, bro! We almost reached 700 kilometers per hour, man. This mod is so crazy, dude. Hold on. You can actually even, assign, what do you say? Weapons for the vehicles too. You come to vehicles, vehicle weapons, and RPG. L1 or num plus. L1, num. Press LS or L1. What does it mean, dude? Plus, what happens if you... Oh, I'm sorry. Bro, this thing has RPG right now. I guess it's the most overpowered vehicle, bro. This is the most overpowered vehicle. Hold on, let me show you. Let them come. You can actually keep going like this, bro. This thing is so dope. Bro, enough with the cars. Hold on. Enough with the cars, bro. Enough with the cars. Let's get some really big plane. Where is the chopper, man? SMG can kill a chopper, dude. This mod is so dope. Rip for the officers who are inside there. You wanna see something cool? Take out a sniper rifle. Zoom in, and that's all. You see what happens to the plane? That's all. Just 2 shots, dude. That's all, dude. Hold on. Let's spawn a plane, dude. Really big plane. Boats. Planes, okay. Welcome, boys and girls, to see the biggest plane ever in the GTA 5 story mode. This is the biggest plane money can buy you in GTA 5 story mode. Let's get in, dude. Bro, this thing is so big. Look at the pickup, man. Bro, we already... Oh my god, bro. We already did 300 in no time, dude. Can you even fire? No, you can't. Let's crash that plane, bro. Let's crash that plane. No! Oh my god, it's such a miss. Such a miss, bro. Let's jump, let's jump. What happened to the plane, dude? Oh, it's falling, bro. Look at it. It's falling. Let's go near that, bro. Let's go near that. Okay, as we are immortal, we don't need parachute actually to land. Oh, can he even shoot? Sheesh, bro.
For fuck's sakes!
Now, boys and girls, let's do something different. Let's go to vehicle options once more and vehicle and what's his rainbow mode, dude? Dude, what's supercar mode? Supercart mode. Hold on, I'm really excited to see. So, what is supercart mode? Vehicle spawner, super. Let's get the XXR. Let's go to. What is supercart mode? Use driver brakes and use driving control and handbrake. Is it like somewhat drift kind of thing? Oh, bro, you even actually get the boosters, dude. Look, 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 look. You get the boosters. Bro, this thing is so dope, man. You actually get the boosters, bro. Look, look, look. You get the boosters. Sheesh, man. This mode is actually fun, bro. Supercart mode. Bro, I can literally like ram around the whole map with this mod. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Let's try to jump from that cliff. Ah, no. We failed? Can we do it again? I guess so. Bro, look at the view. Hold on. No, dude, no, no, no. 3, 2, 1, go! It becomes a bit hard to control when you have a lot of torque. Sheesh. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Let's take the top speed, dude. 3, 2, 1, go. 538, bro. Literally 538. No. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. This is the first time I had actually modded my GTA 5. So if you want this kind of amazing content, then please do subscribe to my channel. Let's keep 30 aim like for this video. And do comment down below how you like this mod. Until next time, bye bye, stay safe, keep playing games.